In the heart of Hoshiarpur, amidst challenges and doubts, Red Cross Society emerged as a beacon of hope, igniting the spirits of special autistic children and their families. Spearheaded under the visionary and dynamic leadership of Srimati Komal Mittalji, Deputy Commissioner and President Red Cross Society Hoshiarpur, the Wings project unfolded, transforming what seemed like hopeless failure into glorious success. With the unwavering support of the District Red Cross Society, the Wings initiative took flight, providing a special platform for special children constrained by nature, but not by fate.
It is very good to see these children, gifted children, these blessed children working here. And it is not about only working, they are learning so much.
4 tuck shops, strategically located in prominent government institutions, became the bastions of opportunity, nurturing the talents of these intellectually gifted stars. Approximately 8,000 individuals are part of the customer base for these tuck shops. With the hand-holding of District Red Cross Society, the autistic children embarked on a journey of empowerment and skills development.
They are working like normal people.
Through this on-the-job training in the campus of Red Cross Hoshiarpur, these kids were equipped with the tools necessary to thrive in various facets of life. Hospitality, customer service, and financial literacy became their forte as they blossomed into confident individuals ready to seize opportunities. Within a span of just 4 months, the Wings project surpassed all expectations, achieving a sale of 7.5 lakh, covering all recurring expenses and salaries, and leaving surplus income too, which will further be used in the development of this project. But beyond the numbers lay the true essence of success, the transformation of perceptions and attitudes towards special children. The Wings project shattered stereotypes and instilled a sense of pride and dignity among parents and society alike. No longer seen as burdens, these special children became brand ambassadors for the straight-out society and their family.
Autism is not a disability, it is a special kind of ability. And this fact has been proven by our kids who are working successfully for the last 40 days in the 4 tuck shops which have been set up in 4 institutions of the Hoshiarpur.
I must say now the parents will realize that their special children are also very special, and they can do something very special for the society, and they can live their life with dignity and respect.
He also thanks our DC ma'am that he took the initiative to make it a success. Other thing which I want to say that such activities are to be diversified more, and we have to take it into consideration that how the students can have a social aptitude as well as obligation.
I found this initiative very helpful for not only for the people who are working over here, but also for the students who are taking advantages out of such initiatives.
Showcasing their unique ability and contributing meaningfully to the community. The unique initiative of Red Cross Society Hoshiarpur not only provided economic opportunities, but also served as a catalyst for societal change, breaking down barriers and fostering prosperity. As a success story of Wings spread far and wide, calls poured in from other districts and institutions, eager to replicate this model of empowerment. Through collaborative efforts and a shared vision, the Wings project continues to soar, touching lives and spreading hope wherever it goes.
I'm very happy to share that our project Wings to Intellectually Gifted Star, it has not only proved beneficial to the families of these 8 kids who are now working at our tuck shops, but it has also served as an example to the society. We have observed now the students coming to us or the kids approaching us, showing their sensitivity towards these kids, Earlier, they were not even aware of the challenges being faced by this marginalized community. There are many industries and many institutes who are now approaching us that they want similar tuck shops in their premises. There are parents who are coming to us who earlier used to think that now that we will not be able to support our kid throughout their life, or how will we do this. Now they're approaching us, their confidence level has increased, and they also want to participate in our project. Through this project, we, the team of the District Administration Hoshiarpur and the District Red Cross Society Hoshiarpur, is really inspired. We want to work towards the betterment of the marginalized section so that we have a more equitable future where everyone is inspired and work at an equal platform. Thank you.
With each success story, the Wings project reaffirms the belief that with a little more persistence and effort, even the most daunting challenges can be overcome, paving the way for a future where every child, regardless of ability, can spread their wings and fly.